How to identify page title in a website. Did you know that one tiny line of text on your browser tab can impact SEO, user experience, and even trust? Yes, I'm talking about the page title. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're learning UI/UX testing or want to become a smart tester, this is something you should never ignore. What is a page title? The page title is the text you see on the browser tab. It also appears in search engine results and helps users understand what the page is about. For example, if you open Amazon, the tab shows something like Amazon.in, online shopping site. Step 1, Browser tab. The easiest way to identify a page title is open the website. Look at the top tab of your browser. That text, your page title. Step 2, Inspect element. You can also check it using developer tools. Right-click on the page. Click on Inspect. Look for the title tag inside the HTML. This shows the actual title used by the website. Step 3. View page source. Another way, right-click, View page source. Press Ctrl+F. Search for title. Testing scenarios. As a tester, don't just find the title, validate it. Check if it matches the page content. Check if it contains the brand name, like Flipkart. Check if it's missing or duplicated. Check if it's too long or confusing. Follow for more UI testing tips and tricks.